Introducing the Sarlac from Rotochopper, the cutting-edge solution in shear point shredding technology. Compact, yet powerful. Sarlac's design efficiency downsizes materials, reducing your material handling costs while maximizing valuable workspace. And here's the game changer. Sarlac doesn't just save you money, it helps you make money. By recycling materials that would typically go in the dumpster, Sarlac unlocks new revenue streams, turning what was once waste into profit. With an impressively low noise level and reduced airborne dust, Sarlac enhances workplace safety and comfort, making it the ideal choice for a variety of work environments. Engineered to handle a variety of materials with ease, Sarlac stands out in durability and maintenance efficiency, ensuring a longer lifespan with lower operating costs. Customizable to your specific needs, Sarlac offers versatility with different electric motor size options and conveyor configurations, ensuring a perfect fit for your operational demands. Reduce your dumpster fees significantly. Sarlac's efficient design means more waste fits into each dumpster, cutting down your waste and removal costs. Sarlac's not just another machine. It's a commitment to efficient, space-saving, and cost-effective operations. Ready to transform your business? Connect with Rotochopper today for a tailored ROI calculation to see how Sarlac can impact your bottom line. Sarlac. Maximum return, minimum space.